Hey guys, sorry, my camera actually flipped out, so yeah guys, we're gonna start mixing that up. Sorry about the back camera. You guys can really smell that cinnamon and pumpkin spice mix. Oh, that pumpkin pie spice mix. You guys can really smell that as you guys start wafting that around. You just start wafting the eggs. I know you guys can't really see the eggs, but really sucks for some reason. My camera malfunctioned while I was trying to set it up top here. I might be able to redeem myself if I'm able to. Never mind. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry guys that you guys can't really see this, but there's the eggs. I'm going to go ahead and turn off. Hey, look at that, my toaster. Guess I'm going to go ahead and turn off the stove. Off. I'm going to set these off to the side while we work on our toast. Now we're going to go ahead and put this right here. Okay. We're going to grab ourselves our mini tripod. Side. So, I'm trying to make this a two-part video, but just like last time with the cookies, my camera shut off. So we're gonna part two. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and grab our 2 pieces of toast. Okay, so we're gonna grab our 2 pieces of toast. Okay, and then go ahead and grab our. I'm using Blue Bonnet butter, not sponsored at all. None of these products are being sponsored by anything. My mother is gluten-free, as you guys probably saw from the gluten-free video, so I'm using enough butter that I can put on 2 pieces of toast without having to double dip into using butter. Now, if you guys have parents that are gluten-free, or if you are a gluten-free parent, then yes, you guys probably understand the struggle of not having gluten inside your butter. So, yes. Okay, so now, since that's done, go ahead and grab our eggs. Delicious. Grab our spatula. We'll skip off the eggs all from the sides. And we're just going to move them onto the bread. I'll fix that once I'm done. Okay, you guys want to grab the excess off the pan with the spatula. And you want to put the spatula pan over to here to the side. And we want to start making the sandwich. Sandwich, I like to take all the eggs that have fallen off and put them onto the other piece of bread. But guys, you guys are wondering what these are? These are seasonal scrambled eggs. I sometimes like to call them Thanksgiving breakfast scrambled eggs. But you guys can make these anytime. But yes, that is glorious looking. I'm just gonna grab this one. Now, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Now, that is the inside of the sandwich. It's both buttered, and then it's just the eggs, and you pat it down a little bit. And then, use it to your kids, family members, whatever you're cooking this for, or for yourself. Enjoy it. Or from the Diamond Sword. If you guys are, like, children, who, like, you guys are, like, 15 and younger, or if you guys don't, or you guys have parental, okay, if you guys have parental, like if your parent or guardian says, yes, you guys can make this by yourself, that's fine, that's fantastic. Make it by yourself, give it to them. Show them you appreciate their love and parents that give you past however many years you're old. or if you want to celebrate like Father's Day, or if you want to celebrate Thanksgiving, and you guys want to make this for yourself for breakfast or for your family, like max it out. 2 eggs is good for 2 people. I make 2 eggs because I just want to use some eggs. But 1 egg would be great for 1 person. And then the spices you guys already know. Yeah. So if you guys do have parental advice, also to do this. If you're a parent, you try this out for your kids. If you're gluten-free, use a gluten-free brioche bun. Those are good. I'm pretty sure some have some. Or use some gluten-free multigrain bread by Sam's Choice. This is really good. My mother loves this stuff. It's really good. You guys should try it. You just have to use it, love it, excited. Now, those are words from the Diamond Sword, and bye.